So one of the things that you guys mentioned was AdWords and relevancy. How does the AdWords that you're using affect where your ad shows up, where it gets ranked? David, can you talk a little bit about that?
Oh, sorry, let's pause this question for a minute. It's just why use AdWords in general.
Why use AdWords?
That's yeah.
Yeah, just be like, all right, guys.
Your question was actually more in depth.
Yeah.
All
You're
right.
thinking to us.
So, Diego, continue from here in 3, 2, 1.
So why use AdWords, guys? David, can you explain?
Yes, I would say you should not everyone should be using AdWords, but I would say most people that are advertising definitely should be using AdWords because Google Ads, previously called AdWords, is showing on the most popular sites in the world. The top search engines are essentially Google, YouTube, and then like Microsoft, Bing, et cetera after that. But YouTube is owned by Google. So if Google and YouTube are two of the top search engines, you should probably be showing in the places where everybody is looking. And beyond that, people that are searching in, say, a search engine, and I'm really just speaking to the search engine part. These are people that are actively looking for something. It's not just casually where you're trying to show up to a bunch of people. People that are actually searching for something are usually ready to buy. And so it's a really good way to get that last part of the funnel, the people that they're ready to buy today or tomorrow or in the next few weeks. If it's a big ticket item, they're ready to go. So show to the people that are ready to go, not just trying to get ads that are out there for the future, which is good too. That's certainly a valid strategy. But that's what my biggest thing is for Google Ads is you can get customers essentially today. That's why I think people should start with Google Ads and use Google Ads regularly.
Yeah, that's a great answer. In short, who doesn't know of Google? Who doesn't use Google? So everybody uses Google now. When you're sitting at a restaurant with friends and you have a question or whatever the case, what is it that people say? Oh, just Google it. If someone is searching on there saying, man, I wonder, like, how do I service my pool? Oh, there's someone 8 minutes from where I'm at and they'll service it for me regularly. Great. I'm going to go ahead and sign up for that. That's exactly how that works. So if you're not already on Google, you definitely should be on Google. It's the number one platform. We don't have I don't think this is too much of a pat on the back session here. We don't have a single client that we've worked with that was adversely affected, pun intended, I guess, from using Google Ads. So you got to use Google Ads. Like if you're marketing, you'll be using Google Ads. So that's what I have to say about that. I think that wraps up our questionnaire for today. If you guys do have questions for us, feel free to leave that in the comments there. Again, this is Zach, David, and Nick from the Get Smart Group, and I hope you guys have a great rest of your day.